we have division of decimal numbers. We know that we have to have our divisor whole number. At that moment we have decimal number. So we need to move decimal point how many times to get whole number? 1, 2 times. So decimal point will be at the end. Whatever I did with our divisor, I have to do the same with our dividend. So 2 times to the right decimal point. So now we can rewrite our long division. We have 4, 2, 3. Decimal point we don't have to write in our divisor. And what else? 0 before whole number 80 we don't have to write because this is still 80. So we have 80 decimal point 83. What else? Because we need to round our solution to nearest thousandth, th at the end. So we need to have 4 digits after decimal point when we do long division. Why? Because thousandth is 3rd digits after decimal point. We need 1 extra digit to do the rounding. So always at the end, after decimal point, I can add zeros because it doesn't change the value of our number. And now we have 4 digits after decimal point. So let's do division. How many times 423 goes to 80? 0. So we have to write 0 on the top, and now we have to do multiplication. 0 times 223 is 0. Subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. What next? We have to take up our decimal point exactly in the same column, and we take down next digit. So now we have 808 divided by 423 is 1. 1 times 423 is 423. Again, subtraction. 8 minus 3 is 5. 0 minus 2 we cannot do, so we need to borrow 1 from 8, so it will be 7, and we have 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 4 is 3. What next? We have to take down next digit. So we have 3,853 divided by 423. How many times we can put 423 to 3,853? 9 times. So we have 9. 9 times 423 is 3,807. Subtraction again. 3 minus 7 we cannot do, so we will borrow 1 from 5, so it will be 4, and 13 we will have at the end. 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 8 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. We don't have to write. What next? We have to take down next digit. So we have 460 divided by 423. It will be 1. 1 times 423 is 423. Again, subtraction. 0 minus 3, so we need to borrow 1 from 6, so it will be 5. At the end we will have 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. We don't have to write. And we have to take next 0 down. We have 370 divided by 423, 0. 0 times 423 is 0. Subtraction. 370. We can stop log division because we got 4 digits after decimal point, so we can do the rounding. So we got 0 decimal point 1910 because we need to round to the nearest thousandth, so we have to underline thousandth. Thousandth is 3rd digits after decimal point. 10th, 100th, thousandth. We underline thousandth. And now we check the digits after our underlined digit is 0. When we have number less than 5, what we have to do? Nothing. We just copy whatever we have, and after our underlined digits, we have to change the digits to 0. But at this moment we have 0. So we have to just copy our number. And we can rewrite our solution that this is decimal point 0 decimal point 191. This is my solution.